Alright, today we're at our old stomping ground here. We're in the same garage that some of our early videos were filmed. It's actually your mother's garage. Happens to be out of town, so we just decided to move in and do another destruction video. So we got this, I think it's Dirt Devil vacuum, and we're going to take care of it. Want to play some baseball or softball?
I want to take a swing first.
Take a swing first?
I want the first swing.
Oh, we got to test it first. We have something to do a test run.
Nope, not at all.
We can't find any nails, so we're going to try to suck up this oil-soaked kitty litter. See what happens. See how good this vacuum is.
Middle, remember? Oh, look at that. Spit it out.
Oh, God.
That's so loud. We're cutting a piece of wood. The neighbors say anything. Oh, that was awful. Zoom all the way out. There you go.
Ooh, I almost hit the concrete. You know what your mom feels about taking chunks out of her concrete.
Yeah, she doesn't like it. We're clean this up. Holy shit, Trey, don't be over here.
When you hit it with that bat, it shocked me. A piece of plastic hit me in the head all the way back there.
Oh, some payback's a bitch. Pretty sure it's done. Anybody need a belt?
See, they have titty litter.
God damn it, Sean.
Think it would tear that easy?
Of course it will. It's shit. Pretty sure you can unplug it. John, I think it's time to unplug it.
I hear Karen knocking on the door yet.
Oh, the front door. It works. I don't think that's worth even breaking.
That is.
Oh, hey.
Oh. I think this just looks too intact.
Yeah, it does.
Well, not gonna be able to see.
Hey. I think somebody's getting a little fatter. He decided to do a mat smash. It's gonna be a Sean smash before long.
Yeah, that's true. I am gaining a little weight. Aw, filter.
Oh, wires. Hold that. Hold that.
Let me plug it in so you can get your.
No. Cool.
I do tug of war.
Yeah, I think I'll win. I'm pretty sure I'll win. Maybe.
Oh my god.
It's so strong. I can feel my hands.
You're like pulling me. Look.
I couldn't feel my fingers. Whoosh. Uh-oh, what? Oh, I get to do that. I want to do that.
Yeah, then we need the crusher.
Too strong. Look at this.
Oh, is that like a little bag full indicator?
Yeah.
It's so state of
Not
the
anymore.
art. It's so state of the art.
There goes the spring. Right there. That's like rubberized.
Yeah, it's like rubberized plastic. He's bouncing, like stretching.
It's not going to do anything.
All right, well, you know, I just didn't have enough fun, man. I mean, wouldn't it be something if we could just like, put these all back together and do it all?
I think we can do it, really. I really do.
All right, we're gonna put this all back together using our superpowers. Voila! There's a brand new vacuum. I just put all the pieces back together. See?
Nice
I'm
job.
talented. I'm
It's
talented.
called super glue.
All right, well, I think it's my turn to get a swing, but I get the first swing on this one.
Where's your sled so I can hit it with a sledge this time? Oh, it's the arms. Don't hit the wood. Told you, it's stronger than it looks. Hit it that way. Oh yeah. Do like this. Try to get the belt to clog up. Jam. He's making noise. You gotta jam something in there. Hey, I'll you gotta jam something in there. Go on.
Oh, I gotta get that light out.
Alright, I gotta get a swing.
Oh! God!
I think I broke it. Let's see.
Nope, nope. Oh, you turned it off. Oh. Oh.
You got a motor.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm cleaning it out. Oh, it's just the motor.
yeah.
It's just the motor.
Yeah. Oh, see the switch. See the switch.
Oh, I can smell it. Hold on.
Get on the center. Come on.
I think that did it, Matt.
I don't think so.
Don't hit the light.
You want to stretch the hose, see how far it stretches?
That sounded so bad. Want to stretch the hose, see how far it goes? Hey, you're a poet, you didn't even know it.
See? Oh, hold on. You gotta see this.
Oh, the door. Don't you dare. I know what you're thinking.
Yeah, I was gonna let mine go.
Because you got the worst in.
Here.
Oh, that stinks.
It stinks.
Yep. Dickhead.
Oh!
Oh, was it? You're good right there. My phone. It's my uncle.
Oh.
Hold on. Just quiet. Hello? What's up? Oh, okay, so when do they think they'll be home? Oh, wow, tonight? Alright. Well, I'll leave here probably about 9, then they should be home, what, 3 or 4 hours? Okay. Alright, thanks, bud.
Well, we just discovered that Matt's mom missed her flight. So you know what that means?
You get a little
We have
extra
more
time. About 8 more hours. Oh, hey, just leave it. Oh, you should have left.
Oh man.
Work,
Let
get a
out
workout.
all the stress of this week.
Get a workout. Don't hit yourself. This is a bad idea. Alright, watch out. Nice. Come on. Shit. Maybe. Why don't you? He doesn't want to get out. That's it. Enough of shit.
I think we tore the bag, Matt.
Good. Really hold that.
What?
Put that down, hold that.
This?
Two.
Oh, there we go. There's the spring.
Really? It's not what I wanted to do. It's definitely not what I wanted to do. Stop.
Hey, let's do jump rope.
Yeah, well, he's a wire.
Too bad we don't have a
There
third
we
person.
go. He's a crap. Alright. Put it down. Right there.
Yep.
You got me good.
Okay, we got the black piece of plastic off, but that doesn't look like that wants to break.
There's a chunk out of my hand.
Huh?
A little bit. Just a little bit.
A little bit. Is it bleeding?
Piece of skin. No, we're good. We're just no blood.
Wow, look at that. We just, I don't think I have the magic to put this one back together.
Nope.